Dead. Dead. Dead.
My fucking copies are right there. What the fuck?
Your copy?
No, I was looking for it just now.
Dead. Oh, he's roughing, but he can't flip one. What is this? It's the same thing. Hey, I wasn't told to do anything. Hey, if it gets fucked up, it's not my fault. Oh.
Look at travel easy.
Yeah, he dragged his foot. That's my bitch, no.
You didn't want to check out, you were scared, bro.
Yo, you saved to like the end, bro?
Nah, I'm gonna leave soon.
I'm going now.
I was
bro.
waiting for my girlfriend to text me.
Oh, yeah, fair enough.
Bro, can you not? I'm on the job. Bro, who'd you just get scored on by, bro? Wait, when are you going to Mama?
I'm gonna leave soon because kindness get ready.
Yo, what the fuck? Check.
What the heck?
Hey, he's like hitting his booty, bro.
Bro, I'm not eating it.
Ain't no way we got that on camera, bro. Yo, what the fuck?
Yo.
So small, bro.
Bro, that was so sauce.
They have the freest lane ever.
Ayan, si Louie. Tinatala ang bola.
Didn't you see a coach at Rangers?
Sino kaya nakita?
I have no idea.
Ayun.
Tito Louie.
Ulan. Alan. Kinaboy. Ayun kay Orlan. Orlan. Kay Louie. Ay, lampas. Rebound. Nakuha ni Mervin. Ayun kay Tristan. Tristan balik kay Mervin. Mervin, si Boy. Pares. Wala.
I better get paused.
Wait, he's selling the foul. What a genius. As soon as everybody stops looking, he's gonna take his hand off his face.
First foul.
Oh, there he goes.
He's back to normal.
Travel.
I won!
What is your dad watching, bro?
Ayun. Roy.
Is your dad blind?
Pinasa kay Bulan. Bulan. Ayun. Kay Louie. Louie fires. Wala. Rebound. Chairman. Si Derek. Magaling talaga ang rebound ko si Derek. Ayan. Dala-dala ang bola. Ayun. Pinasa kay Melvin. Melvin balik to.
Where's Uncle Richard, bro?
I don't think there's a game today. Is there two JJ?
He's always here with Rory. Remember? He made a crowd out of
Bro, that was literally all you.
I don't know why she's only mad at you.
Yeah, I don't know.
Just you're passing the ball.
She's like wants to get mad at me.
Foul, ref, foul.
Oh fuck.
Ayan. Si Boy. The Boy.
I'll leave it to this next level.
Stop, bro. He fouled.
First foul Marcial. The Boy. Ayun. Free throws. Ayan.
When you're leaking it, my friend.
Free throw.
Huh?
Where's that?
What?
Mahina ng konti.
It's hot, bro. It's so hot.
Okay. Second shot. Ayun, pumasok na.
Bro, what does this 37-minute mean? You think?
Power 3. Lamang out.
Later.
Ang JJ.
Hey, where's Rain?
Ayun.
What's that?
Merwin.
Jello. Rain's like Casey.
Grabe si Merwin.
I'm saying 18.
Lion
18.
Isang Merwin nasa ilalim na yun. Nandito sa kapila, wala.
He thinks he's good. So he actually thinks he's good, boy.
Christian inbound. Nasa kapila.
It's not a range, bud.
Christian. Ayun, binibig kay Merwin. Kay Vidal. Ayun, cross pass kay Merwin. Merwin, nag-sit. Dinunay, Juarez. Wala. Rebound to Louie. Ayan, patakbo. Pinasa kay Louie. Ayan. Troy. Si Troy pa rin. Ayun, cross pass kay Boy. Pinasa kay Louie. Ayun, kay Bulan. Bulan, for 3, set shot. Wala. Walang bumaba. Ayan. Christian. Christian. Bilangin kay Merwin. Wala.
Yes! Yes!
Sila Merwin.
After you
Number
fumble.
10. First foul out.
Oh, what? It's no free throws.
Oh, I don't think so. Because of the public holiday.
May tatlong tira si Merwin. Tatlong tira yan, ang dami niyan. Malamang bukas tayo matapos niyan. Ayun, pumasok ang unang tira. 1 point. Ilang tama namin tira? Dalawang
Jeez,
punta.
hey. I'm actually going to infect everyone so they can like suffer.
Second shot. Oh! Galing na talaga ito si Merwin. Thank you, Will. Right. Oh! Three for three!
Yes!
Defense! Ay, Orlan sa gitna! Orlan! Ayun! Pinasa kay Troy! Ayun si Orlan!
Thank you. Here we go. My dad's on the court, bro. Oh, finally. PG1, PG1. Oh, yeah, playing guard. With the way 11.
Ayan. Si Ray, binasa kay Chairman of the board. 5! Wala! Rebound! Wala na ball! Ayun, binasa kay Troy.
Actually.
Cross pass. Gaboy! Miles! Tumasok!
We're getting
Ayun na! Bumabagol na kami! Gaboy! 5 points na! Ball, 3 points na lang ang lamang. Ray, orchestrating the game. The play. Ayun, sinasa kay Chairman of the board. Kay Marcial. Nice pass.
He's just too slow.
Marcial.
If he could push the
Bulan.
he'd be like the dream for him.
Ayan. Okay, Louie, drive. Merwin, drive. Ayun, pinasa ka lang. Marcial, wala.
Bro, we gotta finish this.
Ayan. Bulan. Ayun. Okay, Gaboy. Pages.
Actually,
Birthday at tayo.
that guy that just shot.
Turnover. Oh, dahil seconds tayo. Last shot. Sige. May pakasa pa ba? 3 points. Ulan. To Louie. To the boy. Wala. Rebound, Christian. 14 seconds. Christian pa rin. Ayun, cross pass to Merwin. Five. Wala. Ang ganda naman ng pasa. Christian.
That's good ball movement.
Assist.
The guy that shot it lost. Hey, can you get it back? Bro, surely you can get it back.
Take it, then take it.
He's allergic to shooting.
Ayun, si Chris.
Shoot the ball!
Pumasok na ang mga bigating player ng Mama. Pwede dito si Rod. Si Carol. Ayan, nakakala na kayo magaling. Ayan, wala. Oh, rebound na siya. Ayan, kay Ray. Ray. To Vidal. To Marshall. Marshall. To Derek. Derek. Looking to pass the ball. Pass to Cuevas. Ray.
Oh yeah! Oh, what the fuck? Yo, you are so shit! You are so shit! What a sequence, bro! Oh, he got it!
First 2 points.
Boom!
May goals.
He redeemed himself.
Cuevas, 3
back.
points.
Hits the rebound.
Ito yung nakakabal ng Cuevas with isa-isa.
Oh my god.
Mas magaling na Cuevas na. Ayun o, Duranta. Oh. Michael, Jun.
He's actually the best big man in the league. Number 11. One plays.
Ayan.
Shoot again.
To Derek. Derek. Foul, that was Chris. Number
Bro, your dad's built as
38.
fuck.
Peralta, first foul.
Bro, he's actually gonna watch the video.
He does.
Oh, he does, never mind. And he's so quick for how
Inbound play. Oh. Ayun. Pass to Marshall. Marshall. To Derek. Derek. Pass. Wala. Sino nakakuha? Oh. Yellow's goal down tayo.
I'll let you guys know my dad pays these reps.
Oh.
Actually,
He
Ayun.
genuinely pays
Ray, inbound. Ayun kay Tristan. Tristan.
because he runs the league.
Ayun.
well, he's like the owner of this whole thing.
To Chris.
Not really. It's not
Chris. Ayun. Kay Jun. Again.
Best big man.
Corner shot. Short.
Instant.
Rebound Marshall. To Derek.
See, this is what my dad and the point guard has problems because he doesn't want to run back. Now the point guard is not going to play.
Disappointing, bro.
Oh yeah.
Put it up, put it up.
Yeah, clap his ass, Dad. Let's go. By yourself, by yourself. Oh yeah.
Dude. Yo, what's up, bro? Bro, I pushed the ball too hard.
Grabe si Merwin, galing. Hindi napapagod. Ayan na, Chris. Chris, right. Ayun, pinasa kay Michael. Michael! Nice pass. Cordial, 2 points. Magandang laban to. Okay na, Tristan. Tristan. Okay, foul time. Number 33. Si Chris. Inbounds Vidal. Ayun, pinasa kay Derek. Derek. To Christian. Christian, back to Derek. Derek. To Vidal. Ayun, sa gitna. Ang ganda naman ng pass. Wala. Takas na yan dun sa rebound. Ayun, si Michael. Michael. Michael Lisa.
The one that plays.
Rebound Derek.
That's his dad.
To Vidal.
49. That's his dad?
I think so.
No, it's
Marcia.
not.
Marcia. Oh, nire-relax. Ayun. Umikot. Itinira.
Anton's dad is tough.
Number 1, 17. 0. Si Michael, nakita. Sino ang out? Si Taro. O, sige, ready jumpers. Isang tira lang yan. Marshall. Oh, lucky dance. 1 point.
What you doing, man?
Oh, ayan na. Chris. Ayun, cross pass. Si Jude, eto kaya pa. Laking foul sa Marcel. Number 9, may foul. Ayun. Ayun, silaw na. Na-deflect ni Jude. Sige. Dating ball. Oh. Inbound. Bebas. Ayun. Okay. Nakakuluwi. Nalibang mo. Michael Tumato. Ayun, Chris. Chris! Wala! Dito si Nerwin. Nakuha ni Check Maribon. Ayun. Ayun. Showtime. Ang ganda naman ang pasahan. Christian 2 points. Ang galing. Lagi mayroong sagot ang JJ. Every time na magkambangan ng mapa. Oh, si Chris. Chris. Ayun. Kay Michael Myers. Wala. Luwa. Ayun. Rebound ni Marshall. Marshall. Ayun. Tapos na, okay. Ang score natin. Sunod na. Okay. Third quarter. Bulan. Aba, 3. Wala. Magaling talaga ang turnamen si Dere. Nakakailan na ba mga Dere? Oh. Nakakatulog na si Dere. Melvin Conte, wala! Nalaman nyo! Si Orlan! Orlan! Oh, ako ni Christian! Good defense! Ang ganda naman ang pasa! Wala! Okay, ito lang! Ang sino pang rep? Number 33! No, si Peralta, tatlo na yan! Ritos. Marcel, 2 shots. First shot, short. Oh, may isa pa. Oh, sige, ready. Jumpers. Ayun, pumasok na. 1 point. Marcel. Pasok, pasok. 49. Okay, Christian. 2 fouls, Christian. Oh, sige. Ayan, si Chris.
They're gonna make it money.
Alan. Balik kay Chris. Oh, ayun. Kay Orlan. Orlan. Ayun. Michael. Michael. Players ha. Naulit natin. Laro ulit tayo, laro lang. Oh. Ayan. Louie. Alan. Ayan. Naku, natatay. Nabuti na rin kong baby Louie. Louie. Michael. Michael. Wala. Si Cuevas. Ito ang pagkalit na Cuevas. Si Ray. Oh. Ayun. Malakas. Oh. Sige. Turnover. Inbound. Louie. To Michael. Michael. To Troy. Troy. Oh, ayan ha. Oh. Si Sherman. Pinasa kay Ray. Ray. Relax now. Ayun. Christian. Ayun si Alan ni Marcial. Marcial. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha na yun. Nawala. Ayun. May foul tayo. Okay, foul. 15.
Wala. Ito.
Sa tayo na time out at the same time. Time out, KJ. Oh. Ayun. Oh, palas. Ayun, pinasa kay Daboy. Daboy, kay Louie. Louie, tumulan. Bulan. Bulan. Fire. Nabitawan ng bola ni Christian. White ball. Ayun. Oh, stop. May COVID error tayo dito ah. Sige. 49 out. 15. Oh, ayan si Daboy. Daboy. Itoy. Troy. Ayaw si Louie. Louie. Cross pass na. Bulan. Bulan. Rex. For 3. Ayun. Pumasok. Bulan. 3. Bulan. Sige, boy. Ayan. Derek. Napasa kay Vidal. Ayun. Yan ang papasan. Derek. Paul si Bulan. Ayan. Counted foul. Oh. Derek 2 points. May bonus siya pa. Si Cuevas. Ayan ang magaling na Cuevas. Hindi, sila yung magaling na Cuevas. Sila yung Neo. Naman sila yung kanila. Ano? O sige. Tuloy tayo. Ray. Bonus siya. Ay! Ang galing naman. Cuevas. 1 point. Magaling na Cuevas. Wala naman si Ray. Yung isang Cuevas. Wala ang ibig sabihin niya. O, ayan o. Si Louie. Troy. Troy. Fires. Wala. Siyempre. Cross pass. Ayun kay Ray. Ito na si Ray. Ala. Sila nang bibilit ng game. Derek. Fires. Wala. Takoy. Titiran si Daboy. Daboy. Yes. Daboy. Daboy. Crucial. 2 points, Daboy. Crucial na crucial yung tira ngayon. Ayan, si Vidal. Pinababa ang bola. Cross pass ni Ray. Ray. Ayan. Oh, ni-istan ni Derek. Ayun. Back to Vidal. Vidal drive. Number 10. Daboy. Nahuli na. Talagang nahuli. Oh, 2 fouls si Daboy. Number 9, si Marcial. Number 9, Marcial. 3 fouls. Oh, 15 seconds. The boy. 15 seconds. Oh, 12. 11, 10. 9. 7. Wala po 3. Wala. Sino yung Louis, 2 shots. First shot. Ayun, nasot. Oh, nasot. Si Louis. Oh, 3 points lang ang lamang. Let's see. Wala. Ayan, dyan tayo kakatapos. Go, Dan, go. Oh, sige. Oh. Okay lang. Ayan, ayan, sige. Ayan, stop yan din. Ayun, si Jun. Peralta. May shot na tayo, ha? Oh, ayun, kay Louie. Louie, fires! Wala! Rio Miguel! Nakakalo talaga kung Tristan Puri. Wala! Sinangan mo. Start the point. Oh, 16, 15 seconds to shoot. Oh, sige, Jude, 10 seconds. Chris. Ayun, 10 seconds. Ayun, nilabas ka rin. Ayan. Ayun. Ayan, kay Christian. Christian. Oh, 3 seconds to shoot. Oh, oh, sige, 10 seconds to shoot. Para mag-go. Oh, and don't play. Oh, ayan na. Oh, ayan, 9 seconds. 8 seconds. Oh, play. Ayan. Oh, sige. Turnover. Inbound Peralta to Michael. Ayan. Oh. Chris. 17 seconds to shoot. Oh, gano'n ng papasahan, nasa shoot. Ayun, si Michael. Ayun, si Jude. 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 Oh, 5 seconds. 3. Oh, si Ray. Ray to pause. Ayan na. First shot is good. 1 point Louie. Ayan. Magandang laban to. Oh, 2 points na lang ang kalamangan. Oh, second shot. Wala.
White ball.
Oh, sige. Ayan, oh. 14 seconds. Oh, inbound Louie. Ayan, kay Chris. 10 seconds to shoot. Oh, good. To Michael. Michael, pass. 2 points. Michael. Tangka na tayo. Ayan na. Tangka na tayo. Oh. 15 seconds to shoot. Ray. Ito na si Rick. Si Chris. Bimulan sa labas. Kontre. Ayan na. Wala. Sino na kalabas? Derek. Ayun. Back outside. Betaw sa iba. Wala. Sige. Kuya Bas, 3 fouls. Hindi, wala mali. 3 fouls sa baba. Oh. Ayan, oh. Oh, sige. Bulan. Ayun. Jump. Pass. Lamang na kali. Ayun. Ayan na. Lumanong na po. Record 3. Wala. Sino na kanina? Grabe na lang. Number 11, si Jude. Unbelievable. Makapigil niya ang laban na to. First foul, Jude. Marcial, 2 shots. First shot is good. 1 point, Marcial. Oh, isa na lang naman. Under 4 minutes. Oh, second shot. Wala. Rebound mula. Ayun. Dapat yung pinasa ka dyan. Pero si Michael for that. Michael. Ayun. Trey. Oh, hintay daw, hintay. Oh. Pinasa ka nito. Ang ganda naman ang pasok yun. Inbound. Open na. Okay. Okay. Cool. Ayun. Ray. White ball, white ball. Okay, white ball, white ball. Sige. Ayan. Ayun, okay. Oh, 19, 17, 15 seconds. No. Derek. Ayun, close pass. Christian. Ayun, pinasa ka dyan. Okay, pa. Next one. Oh, ayun. Pinball ko eh.
That's what I'm saying.
Ayun, pula. Oh. Right.
Oh no.
Ayan. Merwin.
Oh. No. No.
Number 10, si Merwin. First foul. Oh, 14 sa penalty ha. Okay. Oh. 28 seconds. Oh. Okay, ayan na. Oh.
Yeah.
He's gonna hit a three for the win for us.
Ayan. 14 seconds.
Too short.
Oh, sige, sige, sige. All good. Four rounds straight. Oh, sige, stop. Oh, sige. Peralta.
No. They're down 3. Look. If he makes this game.
40 seconds.
17.
May isa pa, may isa pa. Oh, pag nasa final na,
That's game. Shut up, man.
So yeah, well, that night,
sa ano pa yan ha? 3 seconds. Oh, play.
Travel? What is my dad calling? How was that a travel? Oh no.
Ah, si Christian. Oh, push-up style. Christian. Quick out. Oh, yan. Oh. Chris, push-up. First shot. Oh, yan na.
Oh, it's a 4-point game.
Oh, yan na. Second shot, Chris. Let's go. Ayaw, shoot. Ayan na. Merwin for 3.
Wait. Hold on.
Foul.
Wait, it's a 2-point game. It
Number
was 2 seconds.
7. First foul, Zidane.
Yo,
Sige, two shot.
just have your best lunch at full court.
Aba, 2 points lang yan ah. Oh. Wala na kayong timeout parehas ha. Oh, 1 point, Chris. Ay, kasugin mo yun. Second shot, suko. Ayan o, apat. Ayun, 3, 4-3. Ayan, tapos. 40-36. Grabe ang tambak ng